Hey, my loves! This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today, baby, Madam Glam has issued a challenge to create a design inspired by Mother's Day. So this is for a huge event they have for May 2023, which is an exclusive 2-day shopping event. So there is 50% off, y'all, big coins to be saved from May 16th to 17th. And those were the codes you just saw, which are RAVEN50, Mama50, and Priya50. There's a limited, so you have to get a minimum of 3 items, and the 50% off is all yours. So I couldn't resist for this Mother's Day set. I wanted to use House of Life because it would not be a Mother's Day set without the giver of my life, which is my mama. I showed a beautiful picture of her. She is literally like, she is somebody who walks into a room and instantly just lights up the entire room. She is such an amazing soul and so colorful and vibrant and beautiful. And I just wanted to make sure that this set was like embodied all things my mom. So my mom's name is Veronica. She is literally like one of the sweetest people on this planet. And I just hope that this set makes her smile so very much. So I'm starting the set off with her favorite shape, which is square. And she also used to do like, I don't think they're called squovels. Maybe they are, where you kind of round the corners of the square. And I know for some people that's like a sin, but in the early 2000s it was what was up. So this was like the shape my mom was known for. So I had to start this set off with Mama Bear. And now we are going into Taurus season. And I just wanted to ensure that these colors popped, because I know when, like, not only does my mom light up a room, but she wants her nails to do the same thing. So mama, I hope this set makes you proud. Before I get into the meat and potatoes of this set, I just wanted to make sure that you guys run over to both Priya K's Nails and Mama Does Nails page. They have done the most stunning Mother's Day sets for this event. So, not only will everything be in the description box below so that you can go over to their pages, but as well, all of our discount codes are also there for this 50% off magic. I think like this is one of the best ways to try out Madam Glam, especially if you do not have their VIP. This is no strings attached. Literally the only requirement is that you get 3 items. But 50% off, it ain't bad. So you guys need to run on over. And especially if you love these Mother's Day House of Life gorgeous collection, if you like this Mother's Day set, then you do not want these colors to sell out. They are so vibrant. They literally smell like summer. The moment I look at these colors, I literally see a sunset, a sunrise. These colors are just everything. So right now, as I showed you the 4 beautiful colors I'm using for House of Light, I am just like gently, you know, modeling them, placing them down on the nail with Madam Glam's application brush. Now I also added an additional color, which is Yellow Cab. That is from their Apple of My Eye collection. And I also thought that was sweet because my mama would always say that I'm the apple of her eye. And there's even a song, September Afternoon, that is like me and my mom's song to end of days because I'm a September baby. But my mom truly showed me what strength, love, unity, family, what so many things are about. My mom is an unwavering force in my life that has constantly and irrevocably encouraged me, lifted me up. No matter what I've ever come to her, she has always treated me with respect and love. And she's really cultivated, like, I really believe that is why I'm the bubbly person I am. You know, it's because of my mom. So I really wanted to create this set inspired by her and her beautiful heart and her colorful, you know, her presence and her laughter, and I just wanted it to be absolutely beautiful. So something that me and my mom bonded over is also tie-dye. So I wanted to kind of tie-dye these colors together, and I just used a little saran wrap, and you're gonna see the amount on this nail is enough to do like 3 thin coats or 2 thin coats. You mix it around as you will, and then you just gently peel off when you're ready, cure, and then you can place that back onto the nail. I love this technique. I love how it merges the colors together so effortlessly and just creates the best, the most gorgeous tie-dye. Also, it's giving me super kid ice cream vibes. So my mom, she used to take me to Baskin and Robbins. Usually it was like every Sunday for a little Sunday treat before Sunday dinner, because my mom was awesome. She was the one that would say, as long as you eat dinner, we can have dessert before. My mom literally taught me magic, imagination. You know, she would not read me stories at night. She would tell me the most wild, imaginative fantasy, like the most phenomenal stories. Like when I was little, she would talk to me about this traveling doll that I had. So in these stories that she would tell me, it was Stardust. And essentially me and Stardust would go along the 10 kingdoms, and we would travel to distant places and kingdoms that had never been found, and it was always a story of magic and wonder and extreme imagination. And I would lay there all little in my bed listening to these stories with ultimate wonder in my eyes, because my mom was and is everything to me, and I would just, how did she think of these, you know? I was just always mystified. But I'm so honored at how she raised me, because literally through every action, through the way I speak, who I am, it is ingrained through my beautiful mama. And I am so very so grateful of that. And I was going to say of how supportive she's been and how amazing she is. So Mummy, I hope this set makes you proud. And I know that you would wear these on your phalanges. So after I go through with the 2 to 3 thin coats of the tie-dye, I redefine the shape here. Now, I did not want to do this earlier because I find sometimes when I redefine the shape and then use alcohol on the bare tip, you get these like weird white lines and things of that nature. And I didn't want that magic. So I just went in with my first coat, I shaped them, and then I finished with the rest of the coats. Now I'm just taking a little bit of base coat, and the moment you do this to these tie-dye nails, you can already see them coming to life. The colors modeled together perfectly. And I'm also going to be doing a different technique in this video. I'm actually going to be using Madame Glam's foil gel to make both the Mama Bear nails, the blue, which Mama Bear is stunning, y'all. If you don't have this color, please, while we have this shopping event, 50% off, you use any of those coats and get yourself the coinage off. But these 2 Mama Bear nails, I'm going to use the foil gel glue, and then I'm going to stick down dried flowers. I want to encapsulate them gently and then do a beautiful white outline. So we're going to get into all of this magic. And please, after this video, head over to my sisters if you haven't seen them already. They premiered beforehand. So please make sure you run over to both Mama Does Nails and Priya K's Nails to see the gorgeous Mother's Day inspired nails they did for this 2-day exclusive shopping event. So as I get into the thick of it, using the gorgeous dried flowers, I am going to leave you for this to be the rest or watch me work, and I'll be back in the end. But I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being so supportive during this move. And I really, really pray that you love this video as much as I did creating it. And a huge thank you to Madame Glam and Karina for sending these gorgeous, gorgeous House of Life colors. Without these, this beautiful set would not have been possible.
You can beat this.
And this is final looks, y'all. This is the set I did inspired by my beautiful, beautiful mama. Now, the reason why I chose the dried flowers is gardening is a huge passion of my mom. So I wanted to include not only her colorful, vibrant personality, but her love of gardening in this beautiful set. And I had to do the pop of coral for her mermaid daughter. So I thought this just embodied my mom. And I hope you love this, Mama. I hope this touched your heart. And just thank you for being one of the most influential, best people in my life. And Madam Glam, thank you for issuing this challenge. I said challenge accepted. And I hope that you love the set that I created for the exclusive 2-day shopping event. Oh, my beautiful nail family, thank you so very much for watching. I'd love to know what you thought about the techniques and the finished product. I just love you guys oh so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, do all things with love. Mwah.